Hey there, 996 Tips and Tricks here. I know you're not looking at a Porsche, but yeah, I just thought I'd show this car since I have it up in the bio of the channel, and well, it's what I ride. It's a 2007 LR3 HSE. Just changing the oil. I'm a college kid, about to go back to school on Sunday here. Got a long drive ahead of me. Just took off the skid plate. Just actually got done letting her run, get the oil hot. Got 140,000 miles on her. Change the oil probably 4 times a year. My dad and I always say, you know what, if we're gonna be car enthusiasts, might as well take care of them and let them run forever. And well, we also have 3 Land Rovers now, so yeah. Excuse the garage, it's a mess. Post holidays and just kind of reorganizing some things. Nothing special with this car. Other than we got LR4 wheels on it. I think they're off of 2011. Bought them on eBay. And then we took out the air shocks last winter and put on traditional hard springs from Atlantic British. Yeah, the air shocks, they're, especially with a car that's now 12 years old, just doesn't make sense to maintain them, because once one goes out, the others are guaranteed to go out, and they're $1,000 a piece when this whole set was only $800, and lifts it up 2 inches. Yeah, this tire is bald from, we never aligned it after we put these in, and then as a result, the front tires got a little bald, but got 2 used Bridgestone tires that look brand new over here. Probably gonna throw those on tomorrow. But yeah, just excuse the crappy video, and just thought I'd show this car while I was working on it. So yeah, thanks guys.